Hi students, welcome to JPC online lectures. In this lecture, we are going to learn about RL circuit. Resistance and inductance are in series. In previous lectures, we discussed about individual element, resistance, inductance, capacitance. Now in this class, we are going to learn about when resistor and inductance are connected together. Here you can see. Now I am going to take the circuit with resistance and inductance in series. I am going to take one resistor. I am connecting this to an inductor in series. So this is the resistance and inductance circuit. If we apply some voltage, that is V, we already discussed that in series current is same, but the voltage is going to divide. How it will divide? Up to here the voltage is VR, from here it is VL. Okay, current will be same in the circuit. Current is same. Okay, in this, if we see waveform, here I am taking current as reference. This is current flowing in the circuit, and if we take voltage, this is the voltage. Current and voltage are in phase in case of resistive circuit, and current is going to lag with 90 degrees. Sorry, this is the current I, sorry, this is the voltage VL. In inductor, actually we draw like this. This is the voltage and this is the current. This is similar to this one. Okay, in case of inductor we'll draw like this. This is similar. Okay, here if you find out the resultant voltage will be here. This is the resultant voltage in the circuit, that is V. For this we can draw a impedance triangle, that is voltage is like this. V equals to, we have V value, that is V equals to I into Z, and down this is the VR. VR equals to V equals to I into R in case of resistive circuit. And next we have, this is VL. VL equals to I into XL. From this, these two voltages are in series. What is the total voltage? V vector equals to VR bar. This is the V bar equals to VR bar plus VL bar. Why we are writing plus? These two are in series. In series, voltage is going to divide. So from this vector diagram we can write what is this V value. This is one right angle triangle. Okay, how much the length of this VR? Here is also same length. This is the VL, this is also same length, that is VL. If we take this as a right angle triangle, what is the hypotenuse formula? We have V equals to hypotenuse, square of the hypotenuse equals to square of the other two sides, that is VR square plus VL square. This is VL, this is VR. Okay, so from this V equals to square root of, I am sending this square to this side, VR square plus VL square. Okay, if you see the VR value, what is VR? VR equals to IR, IR whole square plus VL equals to I into XL. From this, if you take out this from these values, I square R square plus I square XL square. Here we can take this I as a common. We can take the I square common. If it come out from the root, square root will get cancelled. I into root of R square plus XL square. This is the B value. If you take I from this, I am writing here I equals to V by square root of R square plus XL square. I equals to, what is this value? This is the Z value, B by Z. We can say that Z equals to square root of R square plus XL square. These are the two important formulas. Okay, after this, from the triangle, from this triangle, now we are going to take, this is the angle. Here we have angle, that is we are taking the angle as a phi. Sorry, that is not theta, that is phi. The angle is phi. Here we will write tan phi. What is the tan phi? Tan phi equals to opposite by adjacent. Adjacent. Opposite we have VL, adjacent vector we have VR. VL equals to I into XL, VR equals to I into R. II will get cancelled, XL by R. Same this, now we'll write cos phi. What is a cos phi? Cos phi equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. The adjacent vector is VR, hypotenuse is V. VR equals to I into R, hypotenuse is I into Z. I will get cancelled, cos phi equals to R by Z. After this, now we are going to see the waveforms. Now we are going to draw waveforms. This is the time scale. Here I am taking voltage and current. If we see voltage waveform, it will be like this. Voltage is like this. is the voltage. And next, the current waveform is, this is the current waveform. It will start somewhere here. Actually, in this RL circuit, in case of inductive circuit, current is IL. In case of resistive circuit, in inductive circuit, current is lagging by 90 degree. In resistive circuit, current is in phase. This is IR. The resultant current comes somewhere here. This is the resultant current I. Actually, current is supposed to start here if it is pure inductor, but because of the combination of resistor, current is starting little earlier. If you see impedance triangle, this is the resistance value, this is the inductance value, inductive reactance XL, here is the impedance, that is Z. Triangle is phi. From this impedance triangle, we can write Z equals to square root of R square plus XL square. And with cos phi. Cos phi equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent? R, hypotenuse is Z. Cos phi equals to R by Z. And next, tan phi, we already wrote that value also. Tan phi equals to XL by R. Next, if we see power value, the power value is power in the circuit. Power equals to average power taken by resistor plus average power taken by inductor. Okay. Here the average power taken by resistor, we have formula. Power in resistor equals to I square into R. That we can write like this. Power equals to V into I equals to V by R. You can write VR into R. This is the power. Power equals to voltage into current. Sorry, here it is V into I. Power equals to voltage into current. Voltage is VR into I plus, in case of inductor, the power value is 0. So current values, here the power will 0, but we have VR, that is VR equals to V cos phi. So here we will get total power value V into I into cos phi. In inductor power value will be 0 and VR equals to VR cos phi. So finally we will get power formula power P equals to VI cos phi. Now we will see one numerical on this RL circuit. A circuit has a resistance 100 ohms and inductance of 0.5 Henry. It is connected to 230 volt 50 Hz supply. Calculate inductive reactance, impedance, current, phase difference between voltage and current, voltage drop across the inductive elements. So first we will note down the data. Given data. Given data, he given that first resistance is 110 ohm, inductance 0.5 Henry, voltage 230 volts, frequency 50 Hz. If you see the circuit will be like this: resistor, inductor connected in series, and the voltage. Voltage is 230 volts, 50 Hz. Resistance value 110 ohms, inductance 0.5 ohms. Okay, he's asking us to calculate the inductive reactance. What is inductive reactance? That is XL. Next is impedance. He's asking us to calculate impedance, that is Z. Next one is current. Phase difference means power factor, that is cos phi. And the voltage drop across the inductive element, VR, VL. We'll see one by one. First we will calculate XL value. We'll see one by one. First we will calculate inductive reactance. Inductive reactance XL. XL equals to omega into L. Omega equals to 2 pi F into L. 2 into pi into frequency, we have 50 Hz, into inductance he given that 0.5. we will get 157 ohm is the inductive reactance. Second, he is asking us to calculate impedance, that is Z. Z equals to square root of R square plus XL square. What is the resistance value? 110 ohms plus XL. Just now we calculated 157 ohms whole square. We'll get impedance value 191.7 ohm. Third, he is asking us to calculate current. I equals to V by Z. Why we are writing here Z? This is a RL circuit. If it is resistive circuit, only resistor, we can write V by R. So here voltage is 230 volts. Impedance just now we have calculated. We calculated here 191.7. We will get current 1.2 ampere. Fourth, he is asking us to calculate the power factor. Actually, he is asking us to calculate the angle, phase angle, that is phi. How to calculate phi? We have one formula for cos phi. Cos phi equals to R by Z. That is equals to R value is 100, Z value is 191.7. From this we can get 0.574 lagging power factor. With this What is the value of phi? Phi equals to, we will send cos to other side of is equal to, we will get cos inverse of 0.574. Then we will get phi value, that is phase angle is 54.98. okay. Next, voltage drop across the inductor. We will calculate both E VR. What is the formula for VR? V equals to I into R. Current value is 1.2 into resistance value 110 volts, sorry 110 ohm. We will get 132 volt. And VL equals to I into XL. I is 1.2 ohm, XL value we got 157. We will get finally 188.4 volt. Thank you.